Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in my previous video how to renew Indian passport in Canada, many of you have asked how to do it completely online. Because of the situation, many of you don't want to go to the BLS center and then get it done. So if you prefer completely doing it online and the website doesn't give you enough information as to how to do it, so I thought I'll make another video to help you guys. So let's go into the video and see how to do it. So before getting into that, the latest update is the BLS center has opened for walk-ins of submitting an application. So you don't have to book appointment. Earlier you had to book appointment. So now no more appointments are required. You can just do a walk-in. So if you prefer doing it online, the steps are going to be the same. But only the confusion is how to book the postal to pick up and drop, as well as how to pay the fees online. So I'm going to focus more on that part in this video, because anyway you know how to fill and what are the documents required for renewal of your passport. So if you don't know what are the documents required for renewal, you can go and watch my previous video where I have explained what are the documents required and how to fill the online application before submitting it to the BLS. So in this video we are just going to focus on how to book for your pickup and the drop off of your courier, and as well as how to pay your fees online. Let's get started. I'm going to repeat the same stuffs which I made in my previous video. Either it's a walk-in or it's a complete online. These steps it's mandatory, so you have to go to the CGI Toronto Consulate General website and then make sure you fill in the application form correctly. Don't miss any details. I'm just giving this as a tip for you guys. So as well as that, you have to collect two recent photographs and whatever the documents mentioned here, like the application copy, legal status copy, and then landing paper copy, and whatever mentioned here, annexure E form, all these collect and keep it ready. And one more document which you need to make sure you have, which is not mentioned here, is personal particulars form, which you can get from BLS website. I have shown in my previous video how to get that, and then also fill it and keep it ready for you guys. So once this is done completely, the next step is to make it this process completely online. That's what I'm going to show you. So you don't have to go to any center, rather you can just from your home, comfort of your home, you can send this application and get it back to your home. Thanks to BLS, they have introduced this during this COVID situation. So before going into that, I just want to show. So you can see the pop-up here. They say that the BLS walk-in centers are now open as well. So if you want to do a walk-in application, I have another video for that. You can go through that where they have mentioned how to go as a walk-in and then get your passport application done. So getting back to the topic, most of us have a question on how to pay for the passport application form fees, and then other thing is how would I book my courier. So I'm going to show both. So first thing we'll see how to book the courier. Click on this link. So here they say that passport application process, click here, but this link is not work. That's why many people are confused how to do it. You need to click on this link and then go here. So this is the page which comes up, and then click on here to pick up and drop off your application. Click on proceed. This opens into a page where you can book your pickup and drop off from the Purolator, which BLS has tied up with. You have multiple applicants. If you want to send it through one courier, you can do it. So you can select as many as applicants you want. So I'm going to show you just a single applicant. Then enter the postal code. It says here you need to send the document to Brampton BLS Center. So it means they will come and pick up and then send to the Brampton Center, not to the Victoria Park Center. Let's go ahead and fill the name and the passport number. I'm going to just give some number. And then email. Then you have to give some address. Again postal code, and then so here you have option to select the date when you want the application to be picked up from you. You have multiple options. You can select whatever is convenient for you, and then you have to select the package location where you want to get picked up from. Maybe different options are available. You can choose whatever you like. Let's say backdoor. And you have to select the province. Next one is you have to specify the drop off address as well. So before the drop off address, you have to select what is the service required. In our case, we are looking into passport renewal. Click on the passport renewal and then provide your passport number, and then you have to provide a name and the contact number, I'm just going to copy paste everything, give the same address, and then click on proceed next. It says what is the cost for this courier service. So it's 20 for the pickup, 30 for the drop off, and then total it comes to $50. So I just have to click on agree and then proceed to payment. Just make sure all the details are provided here are correct, and then click on proceed to payment. As for the card holder, card type, credit card, and then you can your details here. Most of us will get a doubt that is it a secure page or not, but I just checked the certificate here. It's issued to gtpaysecure.net, and it's the same website here as well. It should be secure. Once you have paid there, the next step is to pay for the application process. So most of us know that we have to pay the application process for online through demand draft or a postal code, but maybe some might not be sure like how much you need to pay. To find that, go to this fee tab and then click on passport fee calculator. Here you can figure out what is the exact amount you need to pay for, because if you pay a wrong amount, then your processing might get delayed. So this is the easy way to find exact amount what you need to pay. So BLS center location is Toronto. So since we saw it is a Brampton, let's select Brampton. And what is the service is for? It's for the normal booklet, 36 pages. Don't think that it doesn't have a wording saying passport renewal, but we just have to select a normal booklet 36 page, or if you have a 60 page or something else, they have other options. For 36 normal page, so this is the selection you have to do, and mode of submission is postal submission. Two options here, BLS pickup and drop courier service in-house, or if you're doing a walk-in application, you can select this one, because this is one-way delivery. Like if you go and submit the passport, and you can use this service to return it back to your home, and you don't have to go and pick it up. Right now we are going to see pickup and drop service, and then enter the postal code. So once you click on calculate, it gives you the exact amount what you need to pay. So this is including the BLS pickup and drop courier fees is $35. A demand draft of 144 is to be issued in favor of BLS International Service Canada. Here you might have a doubt that I already paid for the courier. Do I have to pay it here again? You don't have to pay it here again. Just ignore the $35, and rest is what the amount you need to pay for the passport service fee, and then BLS service fee. That is the only two things you need to pay. So it is better to select walk-in submission. So you see here 109.4 is the exact amount you need to pay, because $50 you already paid while booking for the postal service, so you don't have to pay anything here. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. Okay, by now I hope you would have known how to book for the courier and pay your fees. Once that is done, take an envelope and gather all your documents. Keep it ready when the courier comes to pick up. So once the courier is picked up, it's going to take similarly 4 to 6 weeks for your application to get processed, just as a walk-in application will happen. So once that is done, you'll get your passport delivered back to your home. Hope you don't have to get out of your home at this situation, and BLS has provided that. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it helped you.